morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If today is the first video you see my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Stella. I be mom of 3. Me and my family we dey live for ROma Italy. Okay, so guys, today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing. So these are the clothes when I order from Shein. Okay, I ordered them from Shein, so they quick come anyway. I think in 5 days, so they are here. So I think we unbox them together. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so let me open it for you guys to see. I need to tear it with my hands. Tear it with my hand. Yeah, so this shoe, let me put it here. Let me put it here. So guys, this shoe is for my son. This one is my son's shoe. It's cute. Let me open it. Yeah, voila! Look at this shoe, guys. It's so cute for my son. The later they wear for coke, guys. Cold don't come now. Cold wine as well. See, look at this. Come get this this thing inside. It's so cute, guys. Very fine. I like it, and it's lightweight, very light. They're very light. Don't know if you guys are seeing it. The shoe is so cute, guys. Very beautiful, very fine, very beautiful. I love it. I like it. It's fine. So let's put this aside. Then we have, okay, this one is for my son also. This one is for my son also. Yeah. So I ordered this top for my boy. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. You guys see me? He's so cute, guys. So it's for Ryan. Okay. Then I bought this for also. This one is jeans. Let's see. Yeah, for Greta. This one is for Greta, my daughter. Woo! It's so cute for my daughter. So it's for my daughter, Greta. Oh, this jeans is so cute, guys. It's so cute. Ooh. It's high waist jeans, guys. High waist jeans. Very cute. Very cute. I can't wait for her to rock it. So which one is this one? Okay, let's see. We'll see. What did they this one? Woo! For Greta. This one is for Greta. It's 2 pieces. Yes, 2 pieces. Woo! It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. But it looks small. Just small for my hair anyway. If you know size her, Rejoice go carry. But I bought it for her sharp. But now for Greta, if you know size Greta, because it's just small for my hair. If you know size Greta, we go keep and wait for Rejoice. So it's beautiful. This is the top, and this is the pants. So cute. So cute. It's so cute. So cute. So cute. Yeah, this one check. Yeah, this one is for Rejoice. This one is for my baby. This one is for Rejoice. Woo! For Rejoice. For Rejoice. So 2 pieces also, and a pants. Woo! These trousers are big. We go wear her like that. You go grow meter. You go wear her like that today. The trouser look big. It's 2 to 3 years though. That big size I take, because now kids the way that they grow, before you know it, they don't grow past. So they like take big size, you know. So even when she don't grow, she'll still wear on. This is so cute. It's so fine. I love it. Which one is this? Let's see. Okay, this one is top for Ryan. For Ryan. This one is for Ryan. It's a top for Ryan. So cute. That is they stretch. They stretch. I like it. Now be yeah. Which one is this one? Ooh, I think this one is for Greta. I think this is for Greta. I think so. Yay! For Greta leggings. So guys, I bought this set of leggings for Greta. These 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, it's so cute. Oh, I'm not expecting the material will be like this. It's so cute, guys. Look at it. It's so cute and stretchy. Very stretchy. Oh, I love this color. Very stretchy. And this one too. It's so cute. So cute, guys. It's so cute. Then this black. It's so cute. I love it. Which one is this one? Okay, this one is for Greta too. This one is for Greta. Yeah. For Greta, but this size looks small. For Greta. This one is for Greta. So cute. For Greta. Woo. Okay, this one is for Greta also. This one is for Greta. Yeah. Then I bought this one. So cute. This one is big. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. I love it. Which one is this? Okay, I think this one is for me. This one on my own. This one on my own. I think so. Let's see. Ta-da-da! Yeah. Woo! Hey, this thing look big, oh Jesus! It look big, oh. I would have take so or extra. This one is too big, oh. Hey, I fought like this. Make una see, oh. I fought like this. I go give Taylor. Look at it, it's so big. I'll go give Taylor. But the materials are fine. They stretch small. Guys, my daughter is here. If you are not here, if I'm not gonna ignore her noise, or she they hear my daughter. Do. No, don't touch my tripod, please. Okay? Don't touch. Look at it. This is the end of the trouser. You have this gather here. Then this is bonnet. It's so cute. I love it. I love the color, the material, and it's fine. Yay. Another one. Yay. This one is for Greta. This air bonnet is for Greta. Color for Greta. Color. See, it's for Greta hair bonnet. So cute. This and this. Two different color. Okay. So cute. What's this in here? This one is for mommy. This one is for me. I pray make it not big. I pray make it not see big. Let's see how it will look. Hey, it's big. Oh, great. You just leave there. It's big. Oh, it's 2 pieces. Mommy. A pants, a trouser. Look at guys, so big. Though I made a mistake. I could have ordered, this one is 2 extra large. I could have ordered maybe extra large or large. So it's too big. I can't go give tailor. Look at it, but it's fine though. It's a pants, it's a trouser. I'll go give tailor, made a whole trouser, and this is the top. It's a long sleeve, button down. Look at it, guys. It's a button down, long sleeve. Guys, see it? It's complete. I love the material though. It's kind of stretchy. It's very, very cute. Fine. I like the material. I can't wait to rock it to church. I'll can't go give tailor. Maybe I just hold them up. Okay. So this is the other one. So guys, let's see. Yeah, this one is for Ryan. Ryan, my son. This one is for Ryan. It's a jeans. Very, very cute. Very cute. It's a jeans for Ryan. Ryan. So last but not the least. ROma hair. Sorry guys, it's not the last though. It's not the last. I still have some here. Not the last, see other ones. Look at it. I don't almost forget oh. Look at this one. Yeah, I remember this one. This is a complete set. This is the top. And this now the trouser, the tie, the leggings. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. Then we have another one here. This one, I think is for Rejoice. Yay! For my baby girl, Rejoice. Woo! Woo! Look at it. It's a 2 pieces. The pants and the top. This is the top, guys. It's so cute. It's so cute. This is the top. So fine. This is the leggings. So cute, guys. So cute. So cute. Yeah, that's it for the floor. Let me check. Okay. There is the ROma hair. If I say this hair, I will show you now for another video. Okay, I'll show you now for another video. Let's see. Okay, stay tuned. Subscribe, press the notification bell. Okay, if you want to know how this is, because this is not my first time to order. ROma hair from Shein. This is not my first time. I never order hair from them. So let's just see how it will be. Hopefully, be what I ordered versus what I got. I will just pray. Hopefully, look at it, guys. It's written there's 100% ROma hair. So, guys, just stay tuned. Okay, I will post it in another video. Okay, so I will try and I will still see how it be, and I will tell you the price. Okay, I'll still tell you the price. So let's see. So I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, I'll see you there again for my next video. Bye.